Sometimes if you're using Inkscape, you want to make sure you've got precision points inside of your design. And there's a way you can do that called guides. So the guides are very easy to use. You want to go up here to View, and then you're going to see a little toggle guide. So make sure that's turned on. You want to make sure that's checkmarked on. You can see my guides is checkmarked. That's a good thing. And then what you want to do now is there's a guide hidden over here on the left and it's hidden over here at the top. So I'm going to go here. You'll notice my arrow is black and then my arrow becomes white and then it becomes like way off the screen. So you want to go right as close as you can to the black arrow. When it turns white, simply drag the arrow and you're going to notice there's a guide now that comes over and you can just plant it right there. You can even pull another guide if you wanted as well, a secondary guide. So you can basically move as many guides as you want into the design simply by dragging them over. You can do the same thing up top. Notice my arrow changes from black to white. Simply drag it down and I can make as many grids as I like using these guides. It's a really neat little feature. When I zoom in, you'll see that the guides are there. I want to point out these guides will not print if you're actually like saving this design or printing this design. They're simply there for you to view your design and help you make things very pinpointed. If you want to turn them off at some point, just go View, uncheck the guides, and you'll see they turn off. View, click the guides again, they turn back on. Now, if you'd like to remove them, you can just simply drag them right off the screen again. I'll just zoom out here so you can see this a bit easier. So you just grab the guide, you see the little hand, just move him off and he just disappears. So just like that, make sure you click the right thing. Little hand, drag, and just like that, I'm clearing out my guides just as easily as I created them. I really like using guides because they really help me get pinpoint accuracy on my designs. Hope you found that helpful. Quick little walkthrough on guides. If you find these Inkscape tutorials helpful, do leave me a comment if you don't mind, or hit that thumbs up button. I really would appreciate that. And here's another video on how you can supercharge your graphic design skills using Inkscape.